They know my story.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing well. It's been a minute since I posted like a hair tutorial, so I've had this video for a long time, but now I am just now basically trying to post it. So as you can see, I will be doing the goddess tweets for my client, and she wanted the medium size waist length. She actually provided the hair for this, sorry, no, she didn't provide hair, never mind. It's a medium waist length, and I think we use color T30 or T27, and I'm not sure. It just has a mixture of like browns and also ends with blonde, if that makes sense. So I believe it's T27 or T30. Honestly, I'm not sure because it's been such a long time. As you can see, my client does have a really nice thick full 4C hair, and sometimes to do like a twist on this hair type could be, harder for some people, but there are ways in which you can help yourself and just make sure everything goes well smoothly. As you can see right now, I am now trying to part my client's hair, and I love to prep all my clients. I love to like prep and use rubber band because I don't want to have to keep going back and forth to the rat tail comb or the edge control and whatnot. As you can see, I already prepped the first reline. As you can see, also, I'm tired of using the word as you can see, but the ends of the 4 that I prepped, they're like straight and like smaller. That's because of the edge control that I use. So I use a very nice edge control. I do have the link to the edge control in my description box. When you're gonna see how I make the ends really nice and slim so that it's easier for me to twist, and also so that your client's hair is not really coming out through the twist. But first I want to make my parts really clean before I start prepping and using the rubber band for my clients. I think I used about 3 packs or 3.5 packs of a different hair that I found on the beauty supply, because this was like an emergency hairstyle. Not emergency, but like I just did not have the hair in stock, so I had to go to beauty supply to get it. And yeah, I also have the link to the rat tail comb as well as my magnetic wristband. And sorry guys, I was talking and the call came through. Oh yeah, the magnetic wristband and everything that you need to make sure you have a very smooth and natural finish look for this twist. Again, all you need is your rat tail comb, a very good edge control, magnetic wristband, and also rubber band method. Some people don't like to use this method just because they feel like it might just hurt your hair naturally, like your natural hair over time. But my clients do not really complain about such. They usually even come back and get the same style, and so forth. So it works for some. I don't make it too tight for my client because I'm trying to protect my clients here. And also I also apply oil for my clients, and I do tell them how to maintain their hair in order to avoid breakage. And usually I will start my twist with a braid, but using this method you don't have to start with a braid. You can just start with a twist. In that way, it's easier for your client to flip on the first day, and it just makes it like have like a nice fall, makes it just fall nice and smooth, unlike the braids that you probably need about 2 days or 1 day for everything to loosen up at the roots before you can start styling it how you would like it. As you can see right now, I'm just making my parts, and I'm trying to make sure my lines are looking straight, make sure they're nice and everything before I start applying my edge control all the way to the ends of my client's braids, and then using the rubber band. The rubber band, I think you can either use 2 or 1, but 1 gives it like a nice soft tightness. But I would say use 2 because sometimes the 1 might just be too slim, or just too small. So I would just say use 2. As you can see right now, I am doing that. So I'm going to do this for the rest of my clients here, and then we're going to start twisting. I did not really count how many twists I had for my clients. I need to start counting my twists and braids, but honestly sometimes it's just too much for you to just start counting. So yeah, I'm going to do this for the rest of my clients here, and then I'm going to start twisting it. Oh yeah, and also I don't think I applied I don't think I used the hot water for this hairstyle, just because I was I have the curls and everything, and I didn't want to mess up the curls. As you can see, I am done twisting, and I know I did not like make the top like smooth. That's because when I start, I am going to make it smooth myself. But right now I am just so eager to start twisting, because I hadn't done twisting in a long time. So I was just so happy about it, excited about it, and stuff. So right now I'm just counting, but since it's been a long time, I forgot how many twists I had. But I'm going to start twisting for you guys really soon. Oh yeah, and also you do need your crochet stuff. That is what you're gonna use to insert the braiding hair under your under the roots of your client's hair, and then you're going to start twisting. Sorry guys, I did not know that this stuff was not recording, so now I am trying to show you guys when I'm like almost done with 3 parts. So again, if you don't want your rubber band to show, because the way you insert your hair would actually cover the rubber band, so you want to start at the top. Okay, that is the right way to do it. If you go from this, go for under or the side or anything like that, it's going to be harder for you to cover the rubber band. So that's the reason why you want to start from the top, and I'm going to show you why, or you're going to see why as we go in the video. Because I feel like back then when I used to do this method, I would see the rubber band coming through, but luckily for me, the rubber band is usually black, and my clients are usually black as well, so it doesn't really show that much. But if you just want like a very, very nice, sleek and finished look, you want to try to cover that for your client. So start from the top. As you can see right now, it's covered. And now you want to separate. You can either like let your natural hair go with like one part of the twist, or you could actually just divide it and then twist both of them together. In that way, you have equal size on both sides, and you want to twist, even though like again you already have a rubber band and you already have like a nice starting twist, but you want to twist first and then you start twisting in general. And also make good use of your edge control, because it makes twisting go really, really nice. I personally do not love, I actually prefer braiding to twisting, but edge control does help me when it's time for me to twist. So now I am twisting. I already inserted my curly hair, and I'm going to let one part of the curly hair hang for a minute, and I'm just going to continue to twist. Now I'll probably leave the curly ends at the ends, or when I'm almost done, I am going to take that one out as well, so that we can have a nice full and a goddess look. So sometimes you're going to catch me going back on twisting and twisting again. That's because I want everything to go nice. So if it's not really going nice, I'm going to go back, apply my edge control, and twist. Oh yeah, the reason why I don't like twist is because it uses a lot of edge control, especially when your hands are like slippery, or if you're using like a very slippery hair. So you want to use a very strong hold edge control, so that your twist can go nice, because slippery hair I don't think goes well with twist at all, because you don't want your client twist to unravel. Since braids has more strength than twist, so you want to make sure that you're twisting really, really tight, really, really nice, and really, really straight. And also you can achieve this look achieve those things by applying a very good edge control. And yeah, now I am going to separate the other part of the twist, and now I am going to finish twisting. So I usually don't like the ends, but again, like I said, edge control works magic. So you want to use a very strong edge control, jam, with beeswax, whatever. For the ends, they do need work. And also you want to confuse the ends because you don't want it to unravel again. But yeah, that'll be all for my video. Let me know if you have any questions. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you.
It's FAUXLOCS.
Original, puffing on me high grade, sipping on me liquor. Girls them a come, them a want, them a take her. Bad man, me a come in, me a wanna take her. Girls them a come, them a want it on the nigga. I steady sipping on my liquor. Then I tell her me she give her, never trust another nigga. I say she give me on the nigga. Say she feeling on the nigga. Say she want another nigga. I who's that? Baby, tell me who's that? Look back, baby, make you look back. I move that. Where you move that, touch that, baby, me just wanna touch that. Enter me radar, now you they mash up the place. Enter me radar, cause you are what's in me brain. The only special one for me. Now you be the only one I see. Anywhere you go, fill up my fantasy. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Pour me yard, say she give me pour me yard. In a yard, say she give me in a yard. Man a wine, say she give me dirty wine. Man a grind, say she give me dirty wine. Say, girl, say my whining, let me grinding, I don't think so. Any man, let me looking at the think so. Girl, your body say your money while I sing so. Man a bad, man a bossing at the thing so. Girl, pour me yard, say me pour me yard. Me na pillow wine, say she give me filler wine. Say let me the villa wine, say she give me film wine. Man a wine, say she give me for me yard. Say enter the radar. Now you they mash up the place. Enter the radar. Girl, you are what see me brain. The only special one for me. Now you be the only one I see. Anywhere I go, I wanna be. Girl, you fill up my fantasy. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat.